Mower stock feature event. All you gotta do with these lawn mowers, put a blade on them and they can go cut your lawn in about 5 minutes. Here's your lineup. The Four Seasons Jordan Sport number 11 from Comstock Park, Michigan, Eric Corner starting on the pole. Alongside the Fisher Thailand number 57 from Philly, Michigan, that's John Lackey. Second row on the inside of Picasso's Pizza number 43 from Boothwell, Ontario, Canada, Jason Goldsack. Alongside, next up, the 12-mile Lions Club number 19 from Trenton, Michigan, Dennis Boldere. Next to him, we got the Four Seasons Jordan Sport number 4 from Sparta, Michigan, Jason McCula. And starting in the back of the field, the Archer Racing number 179 from Harrison, Michigan, Bill Campbell. That is your field, 15 laps, lawnmower stock feature event. Very little to no modifications to these lawn mowers. As we mentioned, put a blade on them, they can go cut your lawn with relative ease. Here we go. Eric Corner, our feature winner from Birch Run last month, out in front. Jason McCula running second spot. Here comes Jason Goldsack in the 43 machine. Goldsack around the outside, look out. Jason McCula, your winner. Here comes Jason Goldsack in the 43 machine. McCula, your leader in the 4. Goldsack second, the 43. Goldsack looking to the inside, the 43. Jason Goldsack looking for the lead, the 43. Goldsack now your leader. 9 in, 6 to go. This time by 5 laps to go. 5 laps to go for Jason Goldsack. Jason McCula, though, trying to get by the 4. Goldsack and McCula are working through some traffic. This time by 13 in, 2 to go for Jason Goldsack in the 43. The Bothwell, Ontario, Canada driver looking to bring a win back home across the border. The white flag comes out, 1 to go. McCula, one last chance in the 4. On a turn 4, checkered flag, your winner, Jason Goldsack. Jason McCula comes home in second, the number 4 machine. Nice round of applause once again, this time for the Lawnmower Stocks Division, putting on a good show. He's already climbed off the lawnmower. Big hand, if you will, for Bothwell, Ontario, Canada, is Jason Goldsack. Get the helmet off and we'll talk to our feature winner of the Lawnmower Stocks Division. Making the haul from Bothwell, Ontario, Canada. Big hand for Jason Goldsack. Jason, great job out there. Congratulations. There's a great battle between you and the 4, Jason McCula.
Oh, that guy's a great racer. 3 days ago, this was sitting under a pile of snow on my trailer. We're getting ready to go, had to dig it out of the snow, clean it up, and I'm down here and I'm loving every minute of it.
Now we talked to our lawnmower modified feature winner Glenn Van Epps about some of the modifications he can make. This is a lawnmower stock. Now what can you do to this?
Just pulleys. When that motor came right out of a grass cutter in the spring, I had to pull grass out of it and everything. We changed the pulleys, we changed the ratios on the chain. Other than that, it's stock.
Well, Jason, great job. Congratulations. Your lawnmower stock feature winner, Jason Goldsack.